Hello guys, so welcome to PZ Classes. Our today we are again coming back with a new video, and today our concern is that we should spend money towards the wedding or not. And second concern is that what to do.
Good morning. My name is Adarsh. I don't think we have to spend money on marriage because I think after marriage life is most important. We have to also there is a court marriage available, which is there no cost available there.
Sir, I am totally disagree, Adarsh, because suppose it is depend on person mentality. Suppose if you have a lots of money, so you can spend and enjoy the like wedding, because wedding is one times comes in your life.
Yes, I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you because in a wedding season, only a one moment in our only a first moment in our life. So I think we should spend our money in a wedding season because in wedding season, people know about you, admire you. Only like in a wedding season. So I think we should spend money in a wedding season.
But nowadays we see that most of the people they don't are capable to manage life. They spend money on.
No, but everybody wants to spend money only a wedding season, and
No,
they earn a lot of money because of only a.
I am not talking about who are capable. Who are not capable, they also take money on loan and spend money on marriage, which is not good because first they have to manage life. Then they want to spend money.
No, everybody people are not give a loan to the only for wedding season.
Only for wedding season.
Yes, only for wedding.
So I totally disagree with Rani Didi because we should not unnecessary expenses in wedding because that is wrong. We have seen ki in a wedding there is like people only FOMO because many things like Bahubali entry and fog entries, so that is not good.
But if you are capable to spend money, so you can, if you are create memory with in your wedding, so you can. Yeah. What do you think?
What about those people who don't like?
No, so if you are capable, if you have lots of money and you want to like a dream wedding, like and it's your dream ki I want to.
So you can invest that money in any anywhere, and you can double your money. So you should not spend.
No, but I want to create memories na in my wedding because it is happened in one time.
It is a form.
But what necessary na?
Yes,
No.
we are.
What you get?
As Khushi told that she want to create the memories, so I think she can create the memories by spending the money on herself also, na? Why are you spending the money on your people who are coming in the wedding?
No, because I want na. It is my dream.
To spend money on people's.
Yeah, no, it is my dream. I want to create a big.
I'm telling that only you can create your memories by spending that money on yourself.
No, but I want this na. I want to many people come in my wedding. They see me. That's why I spend.
Good morning everybody, this is Bajrang Visnoy. Today we are going to talk about we should spend money on wedding or not. As far as I consider, we must spend money on our wedding because it comes in our first time in our life, and we are reducing unemployment, we are giving money to needy person. It is, I think, good. What do you think about?
As you said that people get employment because of our wedding, so why we are wasting money on other people to get employment others when we have money, so we can use that money for our future events or future plans so that we can get double money.
It is social work, and suppose that you have earned lot of money and you will die in next year. What will you do that money?
So if we have money, so we can invest. I agree with your point, but don't invest that much money. That is not good. Lots of money, investing a lot of money, like people nowadays because of FOMO they are showing up that they have money, but we should not do like that. because people nowadays taking loan for FOMO.
Wedding is not a FOMO. Because we can see we give the money to DJ and work other lots of work, electrician, tent house work, and lots of people we are giving money. It is good. We are reducing unemployment.
Yeah, it's good, but what about those for we are taking loan for one day and we are paying interest for many years? What about that? It's not good, na?
It is the few of the people, not much of the people.
As I said, because of FOMO, people taking loan.
No, people are not taking loan from anywhere.
So according to me, we should not spend too much money on wedding because it is unnecessary expenses, you can say, and like most of the people get into the FOMO and they are taking, as Madhu said that like they get into the FOMO and they are taking loan. It's not good for for parents, you can say, and after getting married they have to pay the loan, all the things, so it is not good.